I think it's cool because it gives you an idea of just kind of what a thrust should look like, how it should feel.
What it does is it displays the force, and you can calculate the speed of the adjustments that the students are practicing. Well, number one, incorporating this type of technology into the classroom gets students excited and engaged in learning, but what it also does is allows for an extra layer of objective feedback that the instructors can add into teaching students how to deliver adjustments. Extra confidence in delivering these adjustments, I think, will help not only in the classroom learning, but I think also in patient care in the clinics by what the students are able to deliver in their adjustments. And I see this more as an added stepping stone in their training. So we're still getting those traditional aspects of how technique's always been taught. We're going to add this in the middle to help develop their thrusts a little bit more and before they transition into delivering the patient care.